The importance of communication in friendships. Ever wonder why some friendships last forever while others fizzle out? The secret is often simple: communication. Talking, listening, and being real with your friends keeps bonds strong and builds trust. Without it, misunderstandings and distance can take over, but you can prevent that with just a little effort. Holding in your feelings? Don't. Sharing emotions, even the tough ones, helps your friends understand you better. It's okay to admit when you're upset or need support. Honest words can bring you closer, and being vulnerable shows incredible strength, not weakness. Communication isn't just talking, it's listening too. When your friend shares their thoughts or feelings, give them your full attention. Even a simple "I get it" or "I'm here for you" lets them know they matter. True friendships thrive in the give and take of being heard and understood. A simple "How are you really doing?" or "Thanks for being there for me" can mean the world to someone. Little efforts add up and show your friends you care. Communication isn't always about big speeches. It's about small, meaningful moments. Ready to level up your friendships? Start now. Text that friend you've been meaning to check on or open up in your next conversation. Small steps can make a huge difference. Let's build better, stronger friendships, one honest word at a time.